Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
A droning sound from your dishwasher could indicate a few issues, such as an obstruction in the pump, a worn-out bearing, or a problem with the wash arm assembly. The first step is to inspect and clean the filter and spray arms for any debris. If the noise persists, it may be necessary to check the pump and motor assembly. For worn-out bearings or pump issues, professional repair or replacement might be required.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.